very bad, awful, very smart, intelligent, very sad, sorrowful, very upset, distraught, very cold, freezing, very strong, forceful, very bright, luminous, very busy, swamped, very careful, cautious, very clear, obvious, very colorful, vibrant, very confused, perplexed, very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very nice, kind, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very open, transparent, very good, excellent, very stupid, idiotic, very happy, ecstatic, very exciting, exhilarating, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very hungry, starving, very hurt, battered, very large, huge, very lazy, indolent, very long, extensive, very loose, slack, very skinny, skeletal, very smooth, sleek, very soft, downy, very sorry, apologetic, very special, exceptional, very angry, furious, very beautiful, gorgeous, very big, massive, very boring, dull, very noisy, deafening, very poor, destitute, very creative, innovative, very crowded, bustling, very dear, cherished, very deep, profound, very empty, desolate, very excited, thrilled, very fancy, lavish, very fat, obese, very friendly, amiable, very glad, overjoyed, very great, terrific, very heavy, leaden, very calm, serene, very ugly, hideous, very small, petite, very funny, hilarious, very quiet, hushed, very rich, wealthy, very accurate, exact. Very afraid, fearful, very clever, intelligent, very cute, adorable, very dull, tedious, very eager, keen. Very evil, wicked, very fast, quick, very fierce, ferocious, very light, luminous, very lively, animated, very lovely, adorable, very cheap, stingy, very clean, spotless, very short, brief, very difficult, arduous, very dry, arid, very quick, rapid, very pale, ashen, very perfect, flawless, very powerful, compelling, very pretty, beautiful, very rainy, pouring, very scared, petrified, very scary, chilling, very serious, grave, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very expensive, costly, very dirty, filthy, very tall, towering, very easy, effortless, very wet, soaked, very slow, sluggish, very sweet, thoughtful, very talented, gifted, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, parched, very tight, constricting, very careful, cautious, very tired, exhausted, very wide, expansive, very willing, eager, very windy, blustery, very wise, sage, very worried, distressed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.